Melody, where are we going? Are we going somewhere?
You're so funny. We're going to Geo. I want you to wear that.
We are going to San Diego! Melody, are you ready for San Diego?
Wait.
You look super cute. Show everybody your outfit.
시작.
안녕하세요. 좋은 아침입니다.
무슨 멜로디? 안녕하세요. 저희는 지금 아침 9시예요. 그래서 지금 저희가 차에 또 탔는데 저희는 지금 샌디에고에 가는 중이에요. 로디야, 우리 샌디에고 주에 가는 거야. 샌디에고 동물원. 그래서
가자요.
저희가 지금 9시 16분이네요. 그래서 너무 일찍 가면 또 차가 막히기 때문에 9시 조금 넘어서 저희가 일부러 출발을 하고 있거든요. 차가 흔들려. 미안해요. 흔들려서. 저희 남편이 한국어를 지금 많이 하고 싶어가지고 배우고 있는데 또 뭐 해줄까? 끝까지 시청해주세요. Say
What?
끝까지 시청해
주세요.
감사합니다.
끝까지
시청해
주세요.
감사합니다. 아무튼 오늘 되게 재밌을 거예요, 여러분. 끝까지 봐주세요.
됐습니다.
기름을 넣고 갈 거예요. 텐이 돼서 안 보여.
Let's get out of here. Let's go to San Diego.
Let's go. 가자.
Late at night, I think of you. Your vision floods my mind. There isn't much I wouldn't do to be sure you're mine. No matter what you choose to do, no matter day or time, I only want to be with you. I will be there by your side. As time goes by with you. As time goes by with you.
Guess what? We're at the 샌디에고. 야, 우리 샌디에고 왔어. 엄마 오늘 스트롤러 갖고 왔지.
안녕. 여기. 와!
She likes this one. This new stroller. Look at this.
Wow, that was super easy.
It's like this. I think I never show you this. 짜잔. You want to sit down?
Easy and compact.
Yeah, super easy. I can't believe it's so easy. This thing. Sit down. 저희는 드디어 샌디에고에 와서 주차를 했어요. 근데 멜로디가 지금 책을 읽고 있네요. What?
Why does she want to bring Goodnight Moon? I don't know. She doesn't want any of the toys. She wants a book.
You like story?
Yeah,
What do you think about this story?
I like it. It's pretty awesome.
It's easy to.
Super lightweight.
Yeah, she likes to. 이 사자가 한 마리 있네, 로디야? 어디 지금 뚫어져라 쳐다보고 있어. 신기해? 가고 있습니다.
Wow, look at that lion, mamas.
사자야, 사자. 샌디에고주 여기가 이쁜가 봐요. 네, 관광객 진짜 많아.
Let's go check out the map and see what we
근데
need
약간
to do.
사파리 느낌 나는데. 주. Wow, what's this? It's a map. Map, mamas.
Yes, a duck.
Her face so funny. Are you still waking up? It's a duck. Mother duck say.
Quack, quack, quack.
Look at this.
Yeah.
She found it.
Let's go this way. This looks fun.
Okay. Come to the terrace wagon.
Here.
They're eating. She wanna get out.
Duck down there.
Look at her face.
Oh, look at the ducks.
신기해? 엄청 신기해. 어머.
Oh, there's a big fish right there. See the white fish?
Oh my god.
White fish.
Wow, they're eating. They have a lunch.
We have a lot to see. Let's keep going.
Oh, she's so pretty. 저희는 지금 입구에 들어가고 있는데 원숭이 소리가 들려요. 새 소리 들리세요, 무슨? I heard a bird too. A bird and monkey sounds all over right now.
There's a lot of nature noises around over here. What do you think, mamas?
우디야, 요거트 브릭이야? Don't. She's eating right now. Let's go. Keep going. 근데 멜로디가 지금 입구에서 오리를 봤는데 되게 신나했거든요. 아마 조금 excited.
Oh, there's some totems over there. Look.
I smell something.
Ooh.
Yeah, something's over here, I think. 아무튼 한번 가볼게요. 근데 너무 커가지고 그냥 저희 느낌이 가는 대로 가고 있거든요. 지도를 자세히 안 보고. 하지만 너무 크기 때문에 뭔가 있을 것 같아요. 같이 한번 가보시죠. 와! 후!
Let's keep going. I'll pick her up.
여기야 코알라 트리. 신기하지? 우와.
It's a big cat.
어디야? What's
Look
that?
at the leopard. Let's get closer. Look at. There's two of them. 1, 2. Look at. You see him over there? Big cat.
Big cat.
That's a leopard. Or sorry, cheetah. That's not a leopard. It's a cheetah. We're gonna go check out some more stuff.
Maybe something over there. That's maybe cheetah.
The cheetah's sleeping.
Okay.
We got a lot to see.
Oh, Melody saw the cheetahs.
Let's go check out.
Flamingo.
Check out
What's
some
over
more
here?
stuff. Look at flamingo.
Say something.
Wow, look at that.
What is it?
That's flamingo.
What's that?
What's this?
What's this?
Flamingos.
Can say wait.
Flamingos.
Flamingo. Oops. Wow, Melody.
Wow.
Look at her
So
face.
close.
신기해?
I see.
There's one white one and the rest of them are pink.
She says something. 우와! Where's flamingo? Where's flamingo? Yeah, where's flamingo? Yeah.
Good job.
Flamingo. I like pink one. I like pink one.
Okay. Let's keep going.
What's over there? It's donkey?
Something. You see the giraffe?
She's angry.
It's really tall.
Wow, hi!
Oh, there's two baby
Hi
giraffes.
there.
Bunch of giraffes.
That's super cute.
There's a big bird over there.
But not the face though. But everything's set up. Ready? This is the bird. Over there. There you go. Bird. Really? Wow, it's a big bird.
We've been at the zoo for probably about an hour and we haven't even, we barely
Yeah,
gotten
we
through
saw
the,
giraffe. That's
Oh, we
like
saw a
big
giraffe.
one. She liked it.
we let Melody out and I was carrying her and when we had to take her back inside the stroller, she got kind of fussy. So
What's
she's
over here?
chilling. Bathroom break, we'll be right back.
Are you gonna go, bathroom?
Yeah. Oh, there's stuff over here too. Let's go. What are those?
What'd she say?
Those are pronghorns. She's saying titi tiga. I'm looking for the frogs too. Oh, there's a bunch of fish down there. See them? Wow, there's a whole school of fish. Look at that.
Oh my goodness, super big. What is it?
What's that over there?
Elephant.
You see the elephant? Wow.
Elephant.
You see the elephant? He's eating something.
Elephant.
She's saying like, hey.
Yeah. Elephant.
Oh yeah, elephant. Where's the elephant?
It's
Oh,
crazy,
she
huh?
coined it.
Whoa, so
Good
big.
job. So big. Llamas. Did we get through? Oh, it's a llama. We can get close. Wow. It's right here too. Melody, here's another one.
There's something over there.
Oh, I don't know. Oh.
Crazy, huh? There's 2 big lions.
That's a lion. She's shocked.
Oh my goodness, look how big they are.
She's shocked.
They're hot.
사자.
Sunglasses? You don't want to look at the lions?
Oh, Ryan's super cute. I like Ryan. That was super cute.
Jenny!
She wanna get out.
So many people here.
You gotta be nice, Melody. Where there? You wanna touch it? She's trying hard. Watch out. She wanna get out. Back. Look at this.
5 little ducks went out one day.
Don't drop the bottle.
How many ducks are there? Look at that.
Wow.
They're quiet, you can hear them quack. They're really quiet.
Are you hot?
Whew, so hot. This is seriously like a workout walking over here. This place is gigantic. It's so
diet.
big. Yeah.
She's working so hard right now. So focusing. 완전 집중했어.
Monkeys are really smart like you. Oh, you took out your hairpin. Look at her hair. Look at it.
So cute though. Don't eat it.
Oh, there goes the monkey. Where is he going? Is there only one down there?
Yeah, everybody's hiding.
I think he's looking for bugs. Flamingos.
Betty.
I'm not thinking about it.
I think I see one.
Look at the flamingos.
Duck.
Wanna know where I made it?
Melody likes ducks. We're gonna check this fish out. Like dogs?
Canadian geese. Little ducklings are cute, huh?
다닥다닥. 저희는 지금 한 2시간? 2 or 3 hours?
Oh, we were walking around for about 2.5 hours.
예, 엄청 아무도 조금 힘들어서 너무 커서 저희가 이렇게 밖에 중심으로 돌았는데 정말 컸어요. 저희 멜로디는 지금 여기에 앉아 있어요. 저희는 이제 선물샵을 구경하고 기념품 몇 개 사고 이제 호텔로 갈 거예요. 근데 저희 멜로디는 덕을 제일 좋아했어. She likes duck, 오리, a lot.
Yeah, we saw like there was like 3 or 4 duck exhibits, and that was your favorite, huh, Mama?
오리가 제일 좋아하는 것 같아요. 오리를 너무 좋아하는 것 같아요. 아, you love daddy. Daddy.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We had a good time.
이제 호텔로 가겠습니다, 여러분.
가자요.
Stop it. Birdie snake.
Popo kissed the snake.